When I was searching for a good leather case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, I came across the Nillkin Camshield Pro Case. Where did I get this case and for what price? Answers to these questions will be revealed later in this video, so stay with me. First, let's see whether this case is worth it or not. Hey guys, you are watching TechNutso, let's get started. The packaging is nice and minimal with Nillkin branding on the top left side. The transparent plastic has scratches over it which can happen during transportation. On the back there are features printed naming, reliable protection, all-round protection, superior sense of touch and open mode with the original device. There's also an authenticity seal which we have to scratch and verify on its website to check that this product is original or not. I haven't yet checked the authenticity of the product as I thought would do it together with you guys. At the bottom left it has a barcode printed which redirects us to the global Nillkin website. Nillkin is a Chinese brand. Now let's unbox the case. I actually have already unboxed this case and have been using it for 2 weeks now. This unboxing is just for representation purposes only. The main seal is at the bottom of the package. The reason this case caught my attention is the camera sliding cover. It provides protection and secrecy to me, like I don't want to let people know which phone I am using, and also this case does stand out in the crowd. The case is made of TPU and polycarbonate material which feels superior, also smooth to the touch. The frame is TPU and the back case is polycarbonate. All four sides are raised to some extent to provide good drop protection. The sides and the back have a running lines design which enhances the grip hold. On the left side bottom is the brand logo embossed. The camera slide cover now slides easily whereas it was a little hard at first. It does get effortless with our daily usage. The case is not at all heavy so it won't add bulk to the iPhone. The buttons are tactile and easy to operate. Now let's check the authenticity of this product. Search Nillkin authenticity check on Google. Scratch the Nillkin radium laser label with a coin or some other thing, but don't do it with your nails. Enter the code on the website and tap on submit. My case is a genuine product and the website has confirmed that the code is valid, so installing the case is easy. I always insert the left side of the iPhone first. The ports and speaker vent cutouts are very accurate. The case does snugly fit the iPhone and that is one of the everything that I love about this case. Even though I have camera ring lens protector installed, the camera slide cover works smoothly. The camera slide cover doesn't cause issues while shooting with any lens, check for yourself. It doesn't bother your cameras but does protect them wholly. There's enough gap between the screen protector and the case, and also there's a cutout near the earpiece. I love the attention to detail from Nillkin. Removing the case is easy too, but the process does need some strength, and it is normal. Fingerprints or sweaty finger stains do not need cleaning. Just rub it with your fingers and the case's look is restored. The lanyard holes are missing on this one. This case supports wireless charging flawlessly, but MagSafe strength is low. My MagSafe power bank does not stay and falls off. Nillkin should have added MagSafe magnets to this case. I am not going to do a drop test with this one because drops are not planned and I can't purposely drop my iPhone. My heart and my mind won't permit it. I bought this case from a local shop near me. This cost me Rs 1000 and I can say that this case is really worth the price. It sells on Amazon between Rs 931 to Rs 1500. I have pasted the link in the video description, you can check it out. The feel and fit of the case are superior, but make sure to buy an original product. I am satisfied with my purchase and I can recommend you guys buy this case if you are looking for one. So here ends my video. This was my perspective on the Nillkin Camshield Pro Case. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. If you have any tech queries, follow and DM me on Instagram. I am happy to help. Instagram link in the description. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.